Good afternoon, this is Bob Iaccino coming to you from the CME Group trading floor in Chicago. Talking currency futures, let's talk about the yen. The yen was up slightly today, but it was significant that it was up even as little as it was because it was really the only major that was up on the future side, and all of those being measures against the US dollar, the only major up against the US dollar. The yen has now been up 7 of the last 10 weeks. It finished up again this week, and it's been one of the stronger majors for any number of reasons. Today we got a little bit of a bullish kick from Kuroda being reconfirmed. Haruhiko Kuroda got reconfirmed as the governor of Bank of Japan. Japanese government gave him another term, approved it. They did put 2 new assistant governors in place, and he is getting a little bit of criticism. He's actually fighting that criticism off. But if you just look at the production and the performance of the Japanese economy under his tenure, it's not really a one-to-one relationship, but overall the markets are very happy that he was reconfirmed, and you can see that in the yen bid we got. Again, the dollar index is back above 90. The dollar stronger against the Aussie, against the pound, against the euro, against the Swiss, all the majors except for the yen. It was slightly lower against the yen. And in talking about that dollar, we have Larry Kudlow, who has replaced Gary Cohn as the president's chief economic advisor. And Larry Kudlow is really, he has something I call the Kudlow effect, because he may have coined the term king dollar, and he may be part of what's keeping the yen from moving higher in the last few days than it probably should. He is definitely a strong dollar proponent. He's a lower tax proponent. He's a free trader. All the things Gary Cohn was. So essentially they replaced Gary Cohn with a nicer, perhaps more humble version of Gary Cohn in Larry Kudlow. So Larry Kudlow will hopefully be getting into the president's ear, talking about a stronger dollar. And while that worked today against all the other majors, didn't really work against the yen, but he may be part of the reason there was a slight cap on the yen today. But the yen did finish about 15 basis points higher, less than 1/4%, around 94.28. On the future side, this is Bob Iaccino talking yen futures from the CME Group trading floor in Chicago.